Hi, my name is Aisha Sanovar and I'm a second year medical student. Can I just know your name and age, please?
My name is Aslam and I'm 20.
Okay, Aslam. Today I would like to check your eyes, and this will actually involve me to check your eye movements and vision with this instrument called ophthalmoscope. So will that be okay with you?
Yeah, that's fine.
So can I know why do you use your glasses for? Like you do it for long distances or to read a book?
I use them to see distant objects, not for reading.
Okay then, so just keep it for me. So now I'm gonna start my testing by checking your vision first. Okay. I would like you to cover one of your eye with this card and read the letters top down as far as you can.
Okay. F P T O Z L P E D P E C F D E D F C Z P F E L O P Z D D E F P O T B C.
Okay, that's fine. So now can you please cover the other eye for me and repeat the process of reading the letters from top again?
Yeah, sure.
Start.
E F P T O Z L P E D P E C F D E D F C Z P F E L O P Z D D E F P O T E C.
Okay, that's great. Okay, look directly into my eyes with both of your eyes and let me know when you see my wiggling fingers. Okay?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay. Now please cover one of your eye for me. That's fine. Now let me know when you see my wiggling fingers.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, now cover the other eye for me.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, Aslam, now focus on this red top pin and let me know when you see the red first. Okay?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, that's great.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Very good. Take off your specs for me. Okay. My eyes. Okay. Now look upward and then to your right and then to your left. Okay. Now look down. Okay, that's great. Now I'm gonna look in deep into your eyes. This involves me to shine a bright light into your eyes. Please let me know if you have any discomforts, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Very good. Okay. Okay. Swing the light in both of your eyes simultaneously. Please let me know if you have any discomforts, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You must. Okay, Aslam. Now I would like you to look straight at my finger and then wall behind and again my finger and again wall behind and again on my finger and the wall behind. Okay, that's great. Now focus on my finger and follow. Okay? Okay, that's fine. now I'm gonna look deep into your eyes with this instrument here, and this will involve me to shine a bright light into your eyes. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now I'm gonna place my hand on your head so that I can be steady and I don't bump into you. Okay. Now I can see your red reflex. Okay. 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 Now I will perform the same procedure with your left eye. Okay. Okay, everything is fine. Okay, that completes my procedure. Thank you, Aslam.
Thank you.
To summarize my examination findings of Mr. Aslam, 20-year-old gentleman, his visual activity is 20 by 20 in both eyes with glasses, which is normal, and there are no abnormalities with his eye movement and vision. Thank you. Hi, my name is Aisha Sanovar and I'm a second year medical student. Can I just know your name and age, please?
Yeah, my name is Aslam and I'm 20.
Nice to meet you, Aslam. Today I would like to examine your ears. This will involve me to look inside your ears with this instrument called otoscope and also perform some tests to examine your hearing. Will that be okay?
Okay, that will be fine.
I'll start my examination by checking your outer surfaces of your ears. Is this okay?
Okay.
Please take off your specs for me. Okay. Everything is fine. Now I'm going to perform a simple hearing test in which I will be standing behind you and speak 3 different words, and I want you to repeat them back when you hear them.
Yeah,
okay?
sure.
Okay.
$33, 66, 99,
Okay.
33, 41, 23.
Okay, that's good. Okay, now I'm gonna place this tuning fork on middle of your head, and please let me know if you hear the sound in both ears or only one ear. Okay?
Okay. Yeah, I can hear in both ears.
Okay. Now I'm gonna put this tuning fork on the bone behind your ear, and please let me know if you no longer hear the sound. Okay?
Okay. Yes, it is okay. It is okay now.
Okay, now I'm gonna look inside your ear. This will involve me to pull your ear backward and look inside the ear. Is this okay?
Okay.
Okay, please let me know if you have any discomforts, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay. Everything is good. Aslam, that completes my procedure. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Summarize my examination findings of Mr. Aslam, a 20-year-old gentleman. His hearing assessment and tuning fork test were normal, and on inspection, I did not find any abnormalities or cerumen or fluid discharge in the ear. Thank you.